Do you niggas even know how to try for real? Work the vacuum seal. No hanging at my spot today. I got too many packs in here. Tummy tuck the bitch. I'm really loving her body build. She say she with her friends, but she with me. She loved a lot of him. Left the hoe right where I met her at. She in the past 10. Upgrading my lifestyle. It ain't none that I do average. No time to hit the bank. I might just stuff it in the mattress. Fucking the cougar bitch. She older than me, but call me daddy. Told the crackers I ain't seen none. Don't know what happened. Said you wanna score a couple bowls, just drop the ad.